Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to mark an email as junk on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application, Microsoft Outlook. Search for this, enter to open up the application once it has loaded. Now let's go to our inbox. Locate an email we wish to mark as junk, right click. And now go to spam emails, mark as junk. This will now take that email to the junk email folder. And there we go. If we wish to put this back in its place, let's go right click, spam emails, mark as not spam. This will therefore bring that email back into its original folder. We can also create different types of rules to have specific emails added to the junk folder. So all that is for the near future. We can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.